Hi, I'm feeling a bit sick. I think I need to make a doctor's appointment.
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. Have you called the doctor's office yet?
Not yet. I wasn't sure how to go about it. Can you help me with that?
Of course. First, you need to find the phone number for your doctor's office.
Got it. Should I call them now or can I do it online?
You can do it either way, but calling might be quicker. They can give you available appointment times right away.
Okay, I'll call them then. What should I say when they answer?
Just tell them your name, that you're a patient, and that you'd like to schedule an appointment because you're not feeling well.
Sounds easy enough. Should I have my insurance information ready?
Yes, it's a good idea to have your insurance card handy. They might ask for that information when you schedule the appointment.
Okay, I'll make sure to have it nearby. What if they don't have any appointments available soon?
If that happens, ask if there's a waitlist you can be put on. Sometimes they have cancellations and can fit you in sooner.
Good to know. I'll ask about that if they're booked up. Thanks for helping me with this.
No problem at all. I hope you can get an appointment soon and start feeling better. Let me know if you need anything else.